This is a DDAmanda video on Hallmark Venture Group, symbol HLLK on the OTC. Actually, this is our second one. The first one was an 8K SPY alert that we got pre-market on Friday. Here it is right here. This came out at 3:03 a.m. Pacific and 06:03 New York time. And this one is this was the changes in control. That was the phrase that triggered this. So looking at that, go to here to the SEC and let's look at this one. We already did one on this, but this is what triggered all this, and that was the departure of directors. So Murphy left, Strickland left. I guess this is a bad guy, I don't know. And Stephen Arnold was elected. Okay, so because of that, the 8K is why she had a really good day on Friday, where she went up 113%. Actually gapped up, looks like. Yeah, gapped up and closed at 17, had a high of 19 right here. Had a 200-day high on dollars traded. That's what we track, is dollars traded. And then today she continued that with opened at 20, gapped up again, and traded 138,000 and had a 200-day high at 32 where she closed. And intraday 0033 was again a 200-day high, so she closed close to the high a day, real close. And right now she is, let me reload this. Here's our social media. So on Friday she was, this is our social media column here. She went to 31 on the most read, and then today, as of the update, she was at 13. And right now, in real time, let me reload this. She's right, 13. This is right after the update. So now she's at 15, but she's number one on breakout board. So she is pretty popular. But even without the 8K SPY alert, here's a 9 factor right here that would have brought your attention to her. Maybe there was some stuff going on, some rumors or whatever. But anyway, on Friday she had the 46 factor, which definitely would have caught your attention. And today she had another great day, up 88%. So what is she going to do now? That's the question that everybody's asking. But she seems pretty strong. She did trade less than she traded on Friday, so who knows? Let's look at, see if there's any news. So on DDAmanda, we can just push this news button here. Let's see if we got any news. That opens up a new window. So what do we got here? Okay, we just have this change of control as of 118, which was actually came out after hours on Thursday, and nothing else news-wise. We can look at her, some details here. Here's your authorized 2,500 million, 2.5 billion, 612 OS, and 451 million float. And here's some notes that we've had on her. We keep notes on all these stocks as time goes by. These notes go all the way back to 22. We keep track of share structure, tier changes. So your latest notice is the right here, the 119, the 8K that came out. She did have an increase here on January 10th. She added 104 million to the OS and 55 million to the float. That was like a couple weeks ago. But what's nice you can do here, what is it, 55, is when you recenter this. Here's your, 200 days worth of trading. So on, 110, she hasn't really traded. Well, here she did. Okay. So it looks like she ate up all of that float on Friday and probably some more today. So we can push some social media buttons. Here's the iHub button. Let's see what you push that button and we can see what social media is saying. So let's go to their board. And now we can read messages that people have been posting to give you, a better idea of what's going on here. Blue sky territory here, how high are we going? These are all after hours today. Awesome day, fantastic close. Who's posting? Welcome to Pinky Land. Big Mama. So, like I said, she's pretty popular. We got a whole page here today of posts. And yesterday, the second page, here we go, another whole page. This is why she's on breakout boards. Because, she's popular, don't you know? So, and we can look at some other social media sites, like we can push the stock twits button right here. But I have an old browser and it doesn't play right, so let me move it over to a different browser. Usually you can just, push the button, it'll come up, but I'm old school. I like my old browsers. So this is stock twits, and we can see what kind of posting there is on here. High points. Definitely see half penny tomorrow. This guy's really, look at that same guy is really pumping it. Last chance. Swamp Master. So anyway, that'll give you an idea. You can read your stock twits just by pushing a button. And let's see what else we can get. We can push the Twitter button. And again, I have to switch browsers. Let's not do that one. Come on. Oh, here it is. Okay, so here's what they're saying on Twitter. Investment Guru Brian Salmi. This gives you an idea what people are saying. Social media is what drives these things, so, just push a button. And last, let's look at a chart. So you push the chart button, and your stock charts comes up. So here we go. She blew right past the 200 and the 50. Yeah, she's in blue sky right now. This is what's called blue sky territory. You don't know what's going to happen. You can also push a 1 year button here. This is a 1 year chart. Push that button. And here you go on your 1 year. Holy shit, she really is in blue sky. The previous high back in September was 0023 approximately. Yeah, she's way up there. She's a nosebleed area. Alright, so like I said, who knows what's going to happen tomorrow. She seems pretty strong. Closed high a day. RSI right here. Here's 5 days worth of RSI. 3 days ago it's 44, 61, 81 currently, so that's within reason. 4 trend days. And what else? I don't like this drag ratio, but that could be a fluke here because of this 19. Here's your up drag. It was 3. Then it was 18 on Friday, and it actually decreased today, which is a good sign. So anyway, that's it. Give you an idea of what we have here. And thanks for watching, and have a good evening. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.